Hi there everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about variables and how to declare them. There are three keywords used to declare a variable. We have var, we have let, and we have const. Now, let us declare a variable using var keyword. Var, let me give a name to a variable and assign some values like name. If I want to console.log, console name, it will console the name, console the variable. Now if I change here, if I reassign it, like name is equal John, you can reassign the value. Now using var keyword, you can redeclare a variable as you wish. Now see, if I redeclare a variable using var keyword, it will rewrite the values. Now let us create variable using let keyword. Let and var are almost the same, but var and let have some differences. I will explain you them now. Now, let us create a variable. Let name is equal John. Let name equals legend. If I console it, console.log, console.log lname. Hit save, it will print John and legend. Now, if I redeclare a variable using let keyword like this and hit save, it will give me an error because let keyword will not allow you to redeclare a variable twice, but using var you can redeclare a variable more than once. This is the difference between var and let. But let will allow you to reassign the variable, like name is equal smart. It is allowed. Now let us create variable using const. If you declare a variable using const, you can never reassign it. It means the value is fixed. Const age is equals 12. Console dot log age. Let's save it. It will give me 12. But if I reassign it, it will throw me an error. Okay. So this is the difference between var, let and const. In the next video, we will be talking about data types. See you guys in the next video.